Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
5 years later.
Dear God, I thank you for giving me another awesome year of life. I thank you for all the people who are here today celebrating my first birthday. Please continue. Bless and guide us. Amen. Oh.
You want to go to the lost city of Atlantic City?
More than anything.
Esto es un party por debajo del agua. Baby, busca tu paraguas. Estamos bailando como peces en el agua. Ey, como peces en el agua. Agua. No existe la noche ni el día. Aquí la fiesta mantiene encendida. Siempre hay que.
Okay, ayan, they have poppers now. Kiefer. Okay, before you blow your candle, don't forget to make a wish. Okay. All right, so let's light the candle once again. Kiefer, close your eyes. Make a wish and blow your candle. Everybody clap your hands for the birthday boy, Kiefer! All right, good job. Now, birthday boy, can you come near in front of your camera? Come here, Kiefer, come here. Birthday boy, Kiefer. And come over here. Yes, and then... Hi, Kiefer. Do you want to say hello to your friends, to your classmates? Come on.
Hi, Kiefer.
And nag-play si Kiefer. All right, intro. All right, now kids, boys and girls, once again, big hand for the birthday boy, Kiefer. Now kids, boys and girls, birthday boy also, later on, I'm gonna call you for some of the picture taking. But anyway, kids, boys and girls, I know you're now excited for the next part of our program, which is the game. So kids, boys and girls, again, who wants to win some prizes? Raise your hand. And also for the party adults, mommies and daddies, titos and titas, we also prepared games just for you. Okay, that's gonna be for later. We're gonna start first with the kids. So kids, boys and girls, if you are now ready to play some games, let's have the first game. And this game is what we call the Bring Me Game, and everybody knows the Bring Me Game. So kids, boys and girls, all you have to do is show it in front of your cameras. Now we will be getting 3 winners in Bring Me. So kids, boys and girls, get ready because we will spin this wheel now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's spin the wheel. Here we go. All right, kids, boys and girls, again, you have to show it in front of your cameras, and the first 3 that we will see in our Zoom screen will have the point. All right, so we are here on number 3, and number 3 is color white. Anything that is color white, show it in front of your cameras. Go grab anything that is color white. Come on, kids, boys and girls, so that you can win a lot of prizes. Go get anything that is color white, show it in front of your cameras. Meet everybody. All right, good job. Okay, so I see a lot of color white. So the first one that we saw on our Zoom screen is first one, Matias. Good job, Matias. Second one, Kobe, and the third one is Simone. All right, good job. Now, kids, boys and girls, we have another Bring Me. So let's spin the wheel. Here we go. Ready, kids, boys and girls. All right, Kiefer, put that down and get ready for the next one. Okay, here's the next one. We are landing on number 1, and number 1 is something circle. This time, go grab anything that is something circle. Something circle like this. Go grab anything that is something circle and then show it in front of your camera. Go. Circle. Go grab anything that is something circle. All right, good job. Yeah, good job. Now, kids, boys and girls, no. Kids, boys and girls, here's the first 3. First one is the birthday boy, Kiefer. Second one is Natalie, and the third one is Ali. All right, good job. We see a lot of circles. Now put it down now, okay? Next, Bring Me. Let's spin the wheel. Here we go. All right, kids, boys and girls, get ready for the next one. We have 3 numbers left, and we are landing on number 5. And number 5 is color black. This time, anything that is color black. Color black. Go grab anything that is color black, kids. Come on, go. Show it in front of your cameras. All right, we see a lot of color black, but here's the first 3 winners. First one is Arlo. Second one is Avi, and the third one is Aliyah. All right, good job, boys and girls. All right, let's play the next Bring Me the Wheel. Number 2 and number 4. That's the last 2 numbers, and we are here on number 2. And number 2 is color red, and I think that is color red because it's birthday boy. It's a birthday. All right, we see a lot of colors. Music, sige. A lot of color red. All right, good job, the kids, boys and girls. Here's the first 3 winners. First one is Andy. Good job, Andy. Next one is Avi, and the third one is okay. So wait. Okay. Now, Kuya holding a Jollibee bag. What's your name? Again, Kuya wearing black, holding a Jollibee bag. What's your name?
Paulo.
Sorry, what's that again?
Paulo.
Okay, we're gonna rename you. Let's rename Paulo. Okay, so because your name is Kiefer at 5. All right, once again, this is very important. You have to enter your names, guys. All right, we have Paolo. Good job, Paolo. All right, so we are down to the last bring me. So kids, boys and girls, let's spin the wheel. All right, last number is number 4, and the number 4 is something square. This time, I need you to grab anything that is something square and then show it in front of your cameras. Something square. Go grab anything that is something square. All right, good job, good job, good job. Come on, show it in front of your cameras. All right, so we see a lot of squares, but here's the first 3 winners. First one is Easy. Second one is Kobe, and the third one is Carlos. Good job, kids, boys and girls. Chicken. Go down now. Congratulations for the first part of the games. That's just the first one, and that is just the warm-up game. Now, kids, boys and girls, let's proceed down to the next game, and this game is what we call the Zoom In. Now, kids, boys and girls, I want you to grab a paper and a crayon, a black crayon. If you have a whiteboard, that's good also. Okay, so grab your writing materials, and if you have one already, show it in front of your camera. Go grab a paper, go grab a whiteboard, and then show it in front of your cameras. Go, kids! All right, so I see Easy already has one. Who else? Kobe has one already. Kiefer, grab a paper or a marker, and then a whiteboard if you have one that you use on your online schools. Come on, kids. All right. Because this time we will be playing another game, and I'm gonna give scores to the winner. Okay. Hi, Kiefer. Can you show your happy face in front of your camera? Yeah. All right. Good job, Kiefer. Stay there, okay, Kiefer. All right. Kids, boys and girls, once again, show your papers in front of your cameras like this. Show your papers. All right. Kiefer already has one. Good job. Now, kids, boys and girls, here's our game. Zoom in. Now, who here loves watching cartoons? Raise your hand. You love watching cartoons? Disney Channel, Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network. Kiefer, what's your favorite cartoon? Go.
What was your favorite cartoon?
Gumball.
And
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob! Wow! That's your favorite? SpongeBob? Ah, kaya pala yun yung team mo. Well, I'm just joking now, kids, boys and girls.
I love all the SpongeBob. And I love Popsicle SpongeBob, and I love all SpongeBobs.
wow.
You love all SpongeBob. Wow, all right. Good job, Kiefer. Now, kids, boys and girls, everybody look in front of my screen because I'm going to show you pictures of cartoon characters, okay? But it is in Zoom In. Now, you have to guess who is the cartoon character we will be showing in front of your screen. All right? So, kids, boys and girls, if you're now ready, here's the first picture. Yes, who is this cartoon character? It's in Zoom In, but we can see colors. We see color white. We see glittery blue. Okay? So if you have a guess, write down your answers and show it in front of your cameras. Go, kids. Come on. Go, go, go. All right. If you have an answer, show it in front of your camera. Very good. I see a lot of answers now. Your answer is Elsa, 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 Elsa. Is it Elsa? Let's find out. Are you Elsa? And the correct answer is correct. The Queen of Arendelle, the sister of Anna. It's Queen Elsa from the Disney movies. All right, from the Frozen. Now, kids, boys and girls, here's the winners for this round. First one is Andy. Second one, Easy. And the third one is Alexi. Good job, kids, boys and girls. Now, get ready. Here is the next picture. Okay, so we have here color blue, color gray, color brown, and orange. Who do you think is this cartoon character, kids, boys and girls? May na-jump ka, boy. Okay, okay. Very good. All right, we see a lot. Okay, we see Krusty Krab. Okay, good job. Now, kids, boys and girls, I'm gonna give you a clue if you're having a hard time. Here's my clue. This is also a Disney princess, and this Disney princess is a Voyager. Okay, She loves to sail. All right. What else? She has a friend named Maui. You have a chicken named, what's the name of the chicken? Hey Hey. It's Hey Hey. All right. Who do you think is the character? All right. Write down your answers and then show it in front of your cameras. And the correct answer is. Correct answer is Moana. All right. Good job, kids, boys, and girls. Here's the winners. First one is Makia. Second one is Ali. And the third one is Aliyah. All right. Good job, kids, boys, and girls. Now let's mute everyone. Wala na naman yung chat mo, boy, ha? Next picture, please. Here we go. All right, so we see red, brown, white, and color black. Who do you think is this cartoon character? This one's very easy. He has a friend that is a teddy bear. Okay?
Sino yan, Delo?
Ate, mas mabilis. All right. Okay, good job. We see a lot of answers. And the correct answer, ladies and gentlemen, is Mr. Bean! All right, good job. Now, first one is Alexi. Second one is Avi. And the third one is Aliyah. All right, good job, kids, boys, and girls. Get ready. Erase your answers now. Here's the next one. All right, we have here color black, color white, color pink. Okay, do you have a guess, kids? If you know this character, write down your answers. Come on, Ali and Simi, go, go, go. Phoenix, in front of your camera, Phoenix. If you have an answer, show it in front of your camera. Wala pala. Okay. All right, now kids, boys and girls, write your answers. Okay, so the correct answer, kids, is dun, 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 the Powerpuff Girls. They are made of sugar, spice, and everything nice. Congratulations to Easy. Second one is Alexi, and the third one is Avi. All right, good job. Next picture, please. Okay, how about this one? We have red, we have black, we have white. Okay, who do you think is that cartoon character? Now, kids, boys and girls, I'm gonna zoom out the picture a little bit so that you can guess it correctly. All right, here we go. Now, kids, do you recognize this picture? If you recognize this one, please write down your answers. Music button.
Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse.
Okay, you have to write down your answer. Write down your answer.
Mickey Mouse, I don't want to ride.
All right, now, kids, boys and girls, the correct answer is from the Disney again. It's Mickey Mouse, and the first three are Luca, Matias, and Aliyah. Congratulations. Get ready for the next one.
Disney.
Anytime. All right, so we see here yellow, we see here blue, and color black. Who do you think is this cartoon character? And your answer. Paulo, you have to write your answer. Get a whiteboard or a paper so that you can have a score. Okay, good job. Now, the correct answer, ladies and gentlemen, kids, boys and girls, is from the movie Despicable Me. It's the Minions. Very good. Now, next picture. Sorry. Here's the winners. First one is Kobe. Next one is Carlos. And third one is Ali. Good job. Okay, write down your answers. Get ready. Here's the next one. Okay, we see here blue. We see here white. And we see here red. Now, Kiefer, who do you think is this cartoon character? Okay, let's open your microphone, Kiefer. Let's open your microphone, Kiefer.
No.
Who do you think is that, Kiefer? It's Is it SpongeBob? Are you sure? SpongeBob is color yellow. This is blue, this is red, and this is white. Okay, Keeper, let's see if your answer is correct, okay? And the correct answer is... Good job, birthday boy Keeper! It's SpongeBob! Very good, alright. Now here's our winner. Yes, super, very good. Second one is Carlos, and third one is Andy. All right. Do we have one more? Yes, we have one more. Next one, please. Okay, so we see here gray, we see here a pink, we see brown, and we see yellow. Okay, and also green over here. Now, who do you think is this cartoon character, kid?
Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry.
Squidward.
No, it's not.
Lobo. Okay, show your answers in front of your camera.
You sure about this? Are you sure?
I don't know.
Is it Patrick? Is it Squidward? Now, kids, boys and girls, I'm gonna reveal the correct answer in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Here's the correct one. It's Tom and Jerry. How many winners do we have? 2 winners. All right. So the first one is yeah, and the next one is Paolo. Next picture, please. Here we go. Okay, this one's very easy. We see green, purple, white, yellow, and brown. Okay, who do you think is this cartoon character? Come on, write down your answers and then show it in front of your cameras. Okay, good job. Okay, good job. Okay, write down your answers, show it in front of your camera. And the correct answer is from the movie Toy Story. It's Woody and Buzz Lightyear. Congratulations. First 3 winners are 2 lang. Okay, 2. Alexi and Andy. All right, good job. No, si Ali and Simi, they also write Buzz Lightyear. Ali and Simi. Good job, guys. Double checking. Do we have one more? No more? All right, so kids, boys and girls, congratulations to those who joined the Zoom in. Now get ready for the next game because this game is what we call the 2 minute. Now, kids, boys and girls, all you have to do is get your paper again. All right, so this time we will not be using whiteboard. Okay, no, we will be using a paper. So everybody grab a paper. Kiefer, grab a paper. Come on, Kiefer. Grab a paper. All right, show it in front of your camera if you have a paper already. Again, we will be not using a whiteboard this time. By the way, you can use the scratch paper that you used earlier. Okay, you can use that. All right, everybody get a paper. Phoenix, do you have a paper? This one's very easy. Okay, because all you have to do, kids, boys and girls. Okay, listen, everybody. All you have to do is you have to make a star. You're gonna make a star. Okay, using your paper. Right?
Excuse me, everyone.
Okay, you're gonna make a star using a paper. Now, kids, boys and girls, listen. We will not use a scissor. Okay? We have to make the shape of the star using our hands only. Okay, good job. Aliyah, okay, listen. Aliyah, you have to rip the paper to make it the shape of the star. Okay? Everybody, is that clear? Paulo, get a paper. Okay, and you have 2 minutes to do a star. Okay, you will not draw a star, but you will make the shape of the star. Like this. Okay, like this. See that? I did not draw it. I rip it to make the shape of the star. In Tagalog, pupunitin. Okay? To make a star like this. So you have 2 minutes to do that, kids, boys and girls. Okay, if you're now ready, let the game begin in 3, 2, 1, go. 2 minutes. Kids, boys and girls, make a star. I'm gonna give 3 points to the best star. Make a star. Do not draw. Okay, not draw. Make like this. Okay, are we clear? Make a star like this. Okay, kids, boys, and girls, one more time. You have to make a star. Okay, you will not draw. You will make a star. Am I clear? All right, everybody. Okay, I see Aliyah is also already done. Okay, make a star and then show it in front of your cameras if you are already done. You still have 1 minute, kids, boys, and girls, to do that. Go. I'm gonna give 3 points again to the best star. Music. 50 seconds left to make a star. Okay, good job. Okay, I see a lot of people who are done doing a star. Okay, Carlos Andre, please make a star. 30 seconds left. 20 seconds. I'm gonna give 3 points to the best stars. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, time is up. Now, kids, boys and girls, let's see your stars. Starting off with the birthday boy, Kiefer. Speaker view. Speaker view. All right, Kiefer, birthday boy, hello. Please show us your star. Jaran. All right, good job. Very good, Kiefer. Next one is Phoenix. Replace pin. Phoenix. Okay, good job, Phoenix. You have a very big star. Next one is Andy. Hi, Andy. All right. Very good. Ayun. Thank you so much. Next one is Easy. Hi, Easy. Can you show us your star? Yeah. Come on, Easy. All right. Good job, Easy. No, it's okay. At least you tried. Next one is Matias. Hi, Matias. Very good. All right. Good job. Now let's call on Alexi and Solen. All right. Okay. Thank you so much po. Next one is Natalie. Hi, Natalie. You're on the beach, Natalie. Are you gonna swim, Natalie? No. Do you have a star? Ayun. Show us your star. All right. Good job. It's a diamond. All right. Next one. Do we have Paulo? Hi, Paulo. Did you make a star? Sayang. All right, but it's okay. Now, let's call on Luca. Okay. Yeah. Sige po. Sige po. Okay. Ayan. Okay, at least natapos po. Okay, congratulations, Luca. Next one is Ali and Simi. Very good. Okay, good job. Next one. Avi. Hi, Avi. No star. Okay, next one. Easy. Hindi, tapos na sila. Simon. Yeah. Oh, we have a red star. Very good, Simon. Next one is Carlos Andre. Hi, Carlos Andre. Okay. Okay. Next one. Aliyah. Okay, let's see if Aliyah has one. Hi, Aliyah. Okay, very good, Aliyah. Okay. Next one. All right, so I think that's all of the kids who made a star. Very good. Congratulations. Let's go on gallery view so that we can see them again. All right, now kids, boys and girls, congratulations for making the star. Now you earned your point and your scores. Now kids, we are down to the last game for you. And this game is what we call the Just Dance. Let's go. All right. Now, kids, boys and girls, we will be dancing, all right, for the birthday boy. Now, I'm going to give 5 points to the best dancers. Gallery view now. Okay. Now, all you have to do is follow the steps we will be playing here in front of your screens. Now, if you're now ready to dance, kids, boys, and girls, everybody stand up on your chair. And once again, follow the video we will be playing. Okay, I'm going to give 5 points to the best dancers. If you're now ready to dance, Kiefer, birthday boy, come over here in front of the camera. We will be dancing. Kiefer, let's go. Kids, boys, and girls, get ready. Okay, stand in front of your camera. All right, let's warm up. Okay. Who here plays Just Dance? Do you play Just Dance, kids, boys, and girls? Yes? All right, now, if you're now ready, let's play Just Dance in 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
Yes, I be your woman. Yes, I be your baby. Yes, I be whatever that you tell me when you're ready. Yes, I be your girl, forever your lady. You ain't never gotta worry, I'm down for you, baby. Best believe that when you need that, I'll provide that. You will always have it. I'll be on deck, keep it in check. When you need that, I'ma let you have it. Beating my drum like dum diddy day. I like the dirty rhythm you play. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama, mama, hey mama, mama. Banging the drum like dum diddy day. I know you want it in the worst way. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama, mama, hey mama, mama. Yes, I do the cooking, yes, I do the cleaning. Plus, I keep the looks real sweet for your eating. Yes, you be the boss, and yes, I be respecting whatever that you tell me, cause it's game you be spitting. Oh, best believe that when you need that, I'll provide that. You will always have it. I'll be on deck, keep it in check. When you need that, I'ma let you have it. Beating my drum like dum diddy day. I like the dirty rhythm you play. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama, mama, hey mama, mama. Banging the drum like dum diddy day. I know you want it in the worst way. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama, mama, hey mama, mama. Whole crew got the juice, your came the truth. My screams is the proof, them other dudes get the juice. So I speed in the coupe, leaving this interview. It ain't nothing new, I've been with you. None of them niggas ain't taking you, just tell them to make a you, huh? That's how it be, I come first like debuts, huh? So baby, when you need that, give me the word, I'm no good, I'll be bad for my baby. Make sure that he's getting his share. Make sure that his baby take care. Make sure I'm on my toes, on my knees, keep him please, rub him down, be a lady in a beating my drum like dum diddy day. I like the dirty rhythm you play. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama, mama, hey mama, mama. Banging the drum like dum diddy day. I know you want it in the worst way. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama, mama, hey mama, mama.
Everybody clap your hands. All right, Kobe. Okay, Kobe is still dancing. Now, kids, boys, and girls, congratulations because we have scored all the dancers. Now, later on, I'm going to announce the winners for the games for the kids. Okay, so this time, okay, as I have said earlier, kids, boys, and girls, you will relax this time because it's now time for the adults to play the games. All right, so for our next game, this game is for the adults. So Daddy Kevin, get ready with our next game. This game is called Kahoot. Okay, so if you guys are familiar with Kahoot, all you have to do is go to kahoot.it. Okay, so everybody or if you have an app on your cell phone, guys, yan, mas maganda po. Everybody, please go to Kahoot. I'm gonna, no. Sige, go. Okay, we're gonna, okay, go. All right. So I have entered in our Zoom chat box the Kahoot link. Okay, and wait a minute, guys. Okay, and then no, wait, and then here is the window that you will see in Kahoot, like this, guys. Again, this is for the party adults. Adults, mommies and daddies, titos and titas, please go to Kahoot. Here's the screen that you will see. Okay, everybody, please go to Kahoot. Here, okay, I already sent the link, and the game pin, ladies and gentlemen, is 327070 and 3. Can you close the Viber now? Thank you, so that I can see everybody. Okay, everybody, this is games for the adults. We have prizes for the adults as well. So if the kids will have a prize, party adults will also have prizes. Okay? So go, yes. Sige, pwede. Go to Kahoot, guys. Okay, and enter, wait lang ha. Enter the game pin. Sakayan mo. Enter the game pin. This one, this. Go, overpower mo na. Todo. Everybody, game. Next game is Kahoot. Let's go to Kahoot, guys. Okay. All right. So if you are now in Kahoot, please do the thumbs up, party adults. Let's see how many do we have. All right. We have the mother of Luca. Okay. Who else? Okay, everybody, go to Kahoot. Open your browser and then search kahoot.it. Okay, can you put the link here? Kahoot.it. Right. Here's the link. Okay. Yeah. Okay, do we have Daddy Kevin? Yes, let's play some music. No. Upper. Everybody. Okay. We're just waiting for Daddy. Yan. For the Kahoot app to open. Okay. Once again, the game pin is 3270. 3270703. Okay. We will enter. Okay, let's enter now. And let's see. Let's enter now. Sige, let's enter. Okay. We're now connecting to Kahoot. My name. Yes, go ahead. That's it. We're good? Go ahead. No. That's not my name lang. My name. Name ko lang. Okay na yan. Go ahead. Ready to join. Okay, so as of now, okay. I think ako pa lang yung nakakapasok. Guys, please go to kahoot.it. Open your browser. Please check. Okay, Daddy. Okay, let's share screen, okay? Open the screen. Daddy Kevin, you may now open the share screen. Alright, ayan, madami na pala. So you can close the Kahoot now, sige. Yes. No. Ansi lang. Alright, so everybody, we can see the screens now. We have a lot of players, right? So, everybody, I'm gonna give you 10 seconds so that we can start the Kahoot now. Diyan ka lang, diyan ka lang. Okay. 5 seconds more.
That's candy.
3, 2, and 1. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, let's play the Kahoot. And here we go. Okay, all you have to do is select your answers. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. The first question is, when was I born? When was Kiefer born? Is it red? September 12, 2016, 2017, September 12, 2017, September 11, 2016, and September 13 to 2016. Okay. All right, so we have 10 answers, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Please put your answers, guys. We still have 10 seconds.
Nothing.
Once again, this game is for the adults. All right, so party adults, answers now. All right, so we have 13 correct answers. Congratulations. All right, the correct answer is September 12, 2016. Good job, guys. And now let's have the next question. By the way, Kiefer's Yaya is leading 962 points. Second is Team Easy. All right, and you can see that scores, right? So let's have the next one. Here we go. I was born in. Okay, so we are looking for a hospital. We have the Medical City, Pasig, St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City, Makati Med Makati, Medical City, unspecified. Wow. Music. Mario Bros. All right, 14 answers, guys. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds. Yeah, okay lang. Nakashare. Nakashare kasi siya. All right, time is up and you know. All right, so we have another 13 correct answers and here's the scores. Okay, so Team Jack Jack is on the second place, Alexi is on the third one, and the first place is still on Kiefer's Yaya. Next question, please. All right, what time? This time is, the question is, what time was Kiefer born? Is it 10 a.m.? Is it 8 a.m., 9 a.m., or 7 a.m.? Red is 10 a.m. Yellow is 8. Blue is 9. 7 is green. Hey, what's your answer?
The time when he was born. Oh no, his answer is too low.
Wow.
Too low.
3 seconds.
Wow.
And the correct answer is color blue. And we just have 2 correct answers. Let's find out who got it.
Pag talo Yaya, okay lang.
Yaya is now leading. Second is the Yayas. Team Jack Jack still on the third one. Next question, Daddy Kevin. My favorite dessert. Okay, so we are talking about food now. Is it Nutella? Is it chocolate ice cream? Is it cake or chocolates by Mommy Jen?
Is this the F? Nothing. It's wrong. Right.
15 seconds.
All F has 19.
3 seconds. The correct answer is yellow. And we just have 1 correct answer. So let's find out our scoreboard. Alexi is on the second spot now. Kiefer's Yayas are on the third. And Team Aliyah is still on the first one. Next question, please. Okay, so we are down to the 5th question. What is Kiefer's favorite cartoon show? Okay. Kung may nagkamali po dito, ay, hindi ko na lang po alam. We have We Bare Bears, we have Peppa Pig, we have Gumball, and we have SpongeBob. What do you think is Kiefer's favorite cartoon show? It's may nagkamali pa. SpongeBob SquarePants, our team of the day. 14 points, 14 correct answers. Let's go.
It's on the podium.
Still have Team Aliyah on the first spot. Nawala na sila Yayas, Alexi on the second, and Team Jack on the third. So let's have the next question. Mag-answer ka na po. Who lives under a rock, under the sea? Okay. Okay. All right. Who lives under a rock, under the sea? Oh. Who do you think is that? Kids, boys, and girls, do you know who lives under a rock, under the sea?
SpongeBob.
Is it SpongeBob? Is it
Yeah,
Squidward?
SpongeBob.
Is it Patrick? Or is it Mr. Krabs?
Mr. Crab and Mr. SpongeBob.
Okay, so we have 7 correct answers. Let's have the correct answer, by the way, is Patrick. So let's have the scores, Daddy Kevin.
I don't know this part.
Daddy Kevin, the answer is, the scores are okay, let's wait for Daddy Kevin. I think they have ayun, all right. Wow. Okay, so we have the Timba. The Sponge James. Team Aliyah. Yes, Team Aliyah nasa third na lang. So let's have the next question. 7 of 10. Okay, this is the 7th question. Who are the superheroes of Bikini Bottom? Who's the superheroes of the Bikini Bottom? Is it Man Ray? Is it Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy? Is it Mermaid Man? Is it Barnacle Boy? Choose your colors now. Red, yellow, blue, or green. All right. We have the yellow. Mermaid Man and the Barnacle Boy. And the scores are, let's see. Sponge James is now leading. Second is Aga. Third one is Isa Cruz. Okay, Team Aliyah and Alexi. All right, guys, don't worry. We still have questions, so you still have another chance. Go, guys. Go, Daddy Kevin. What is Squidward's favorite instrument? Is it flute? Is it clarinet? Is it saxophone? Or is it whistle? Post mo muna. Hindi ka na-share. Okay, we have 15 answers now. Last 2 seconds. And the correct answer is clarinet. We have 7 correct answers. And let's see the scoreboards. How's the scoreboards now? All right, so we have another lead. Naku, nawala si Sponge James. Okay, so congratulations to the first 5. Okay, we still have another question. So let's have now the 9th one. I think it's the 9th question. Yes, okay. 9th question is double points. Okay, this is the double points round. So what is the most famous song of SpongeBob back in 2012? Again, guys, what is the famous song of SpongeBob back in 2012? That is times 2 points. Double points. Is it I Am a Goofy Goober? Now That We're Men? The Campfire Song? CAMPFIRE? SONG Song? Or the Sweet Victory? You still have
Sweet victory.
It's Sweet Victory. Okay, let's find out the correct answer. I'm a goofy goober. All right. So we have 4 correct answers. Let's see. Okay.
Adele.
All right, Adele. Adele is on fire.
Nice, Adele.
Jello and Joy. Next one is Ziza and
Wow.
the Cruz, Team Aliyah and Team Jack Jack. All right. We will be having the last question, ladies and gentlemen. And the last question is... another double points round. Okay, so this time, what's the name of SpongeBob's original voice actor? The original voice actor of SpongeBob. Is it Roger Bumpus, Clancy Brown, Tom Kenny, or Bill Fagerbeck? 15 seconds, time left remaining. Okay, mukhang nag-google na po sila, Daddy Kevin.
Oo nga eh.
Because this is double points round. This is the last question. And the correct answer is Tom Kenny. Most of the adults got it right. So we have 12 correct answers. But ladies and gentlemen, let's find out who's the winners in the Kahoot game. Ladies and gentlemen, for the third placer, Team Jack Jack, they got 6,942 points. Second placer is Jello and Joy, 8,056. And the top one who got 8,200. Adele! Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We have a winner. All right, let's print screen that. Para matandaan ni Daddy. All right, congratulations po. Now, birthday family will be providing prizes to the winners, and they will be receiving it very, very soon. All right, so thank you so much, Daddy. Okay, so I'm gonna share screen now because we have for the adult. Okay, so can I have it? All right. Again, Adele, Jello, and Joy, and Team Jack Jack are the winners. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so I'm gonna stop sharing your screen now, Daddy Kevin. Okay. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. Now, guys, we still have one more game for the adults. Okay. In my video. Ayan, okay, naka-open na. For our party adults, this time we will be having another game, and this game is what we call...
Dito ka dyan! Dito we're going.
the Bingo Game! Alright, so we will be having the Bingo Game. So party adults, kids, boys and girls. Okay. Party adults, we will be having another game for you. Okay, so this game is called, again, the Bingo Game. And the pattern is, we will be making a letter K pattern. Now, let's send, I'm gonna send again the link. Okay. Let's send the link in the Zoom chat box. Alright. So I already have sent the link to the Zoom chat box. And please click on it. Right? Back. Yeah.
Okay.
Full game.
Guys,
For the Bingo Game, we will be having 3 winners. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be having again 3 winners. And our prizes is e-wallet. The birthday family.
You find the numbers there.
You find the numbers.
Yeah.
All right, so everybody, do you have a bingo card? If you have, party adults, if you have a bingo card already, please do the thumbs up. All right, so we have 1, 2. Who else has a bingo card? Party adults, ayan. Okay, everybody. Okay. All right. I'm gonna give you another 1 minute. Again, our link is in our Zoom chat box. Please go over there, okay, so that you can have a bingo card.
We will do this.
Mami of Luca, yan, nakapasok na po ba kayo sa bingo?
Kaya ka pala. Akin na.
Okay, everybody, the link for our bingo card is located in the Zoom chat box. Okay, 30 seconds more. Again, we are looking for the letter K. Letter K pattern. Okay, you can see the pattern over here. Okay, all the letter B, and then a slant line from O, G, N, I, and another slant line, three slant line for N, G, and O. Okay, here, guys, here is our bingo pattern. Letter K for keeper. All right, so I believe everybody is in your bingo cards now. So let's play the bingo game. Let's start. Here we go. For our first number, okay, can you see this bingo title? All right, we have the first one is 069. Okay, that's the first number, 069. Next number. Okay, so for the B, see over here also. B. Everybody, so that you can hear me. Okay. Next call. I 28.
You got the number.
Wala pa rin.
Meron.
Ay, yun.
Next call. Next call, I-28. Next call, B5. Okay, so again, pattern is letter K. Next call, B7. Next call, N44. Next call, N45. Okay, you can see the numbers here, guys, okay? Next call, 064.
None also.
Next call, B12.
Well, dad.
Next call,
Walang ano. Walang
G53. Next call, I30. I30. Okay, next call, N35 and 35. Next one, O75. Next call, G58. Next one, B11. Okay, ikaw na bahala ba pag next. Next, D6. Next number is B14. Next one is N39. N32. B8. G46. O74. B13. Again, guys, our pattern is letter K. Double check on that, guys, okay? Next, I24. Next, O61. N34. N41. Oh,
241
71. I, 29. Okay. Next one is G, 48. B, 2. Okay, double check lang po natin. May puro na po ba tayo? Party adults?
Wala.
Wala pa, wala pa.
Wala.
Next, medyo bilisan natin ng konti. Medyo madami po ito. Next one is N42. N42. G, 57. G, 47. N, 31.
Space na nga kailangan.
I, 22.
Ato class.
N,
Let's go. Opo.
Kung ganyanin dyan, kung malagay sa table.
Opo.
23, 43.
O, 72.
Hindi 23 ma'am.
N, 33. N, 43. Okay, we already called 40 numbers. Let's have the next one. G, 54. Oh, 63. Natawa ako sa isang pangalan ng isang ano, si Sir James din, pero siya si Mas Handsome din. Next call. G60. Next call. O67. Boy, sige lang. I21. Alright, wait. May message tayo. Ah, okay. Kapatid pala ni Daddy. Next call. B15. I16. Then you can check the numbers here, guys. Okay, upper screen, part of my screen. And again, letter K. Hindi po tayo blackout, guys, ha. Letter K po ang binubuo natin. Letter K. Next one. G55. Next call. O68. And 37. Okay, so we have 50 numbers na. 25 na lang po. Next one is O73. I 2020. Just waiting for you. Uy, nag-skip ata. Okay, nakadalawa po kaming call, ha. So the last call is 53. Okay, 53 ba? Tama ako? No, sorry, 52. And I-25, guys, if you have 25, lagyan nyo na po ng tantos. Okay, I-25 and G52. Okay, na dalawang pindot po. Sorry, guys. I-25 and G52. I-25 and G52. Next call. G56. I-26. Next. B9. G59. I-17. Okay, we have 59 numbers na. Okay, next one. O66. Click ka nga sa labas. Yan. Okay, next. B1. Ayan. Sila MacBook. Kinakabahan na. Okay, next call. O62.
Bingo!
Alright, so we have a bingo. Sino po yun? Daddy Kevin?
Kami, go. Yeah.
Wave.
Go. Continue.
Okay, sige. Okay, the birthday family wave. Next call, G50.
Floyd.
Next call, G49. Next, I19. Next. So, mabilis po tayo ha. Oh, 65. And 36.
4 and 70, come on.
Next call. Oh, 70.
Bingo.
Alright, so we have a big...
Wala pa.
Ha?
Wala pa. Hindi pa bingo yan.
Okay, sino po to? Si Ali and Simi? Ali and Simi, tama po ba?
Numbers na lang.
Wala pa kami. Wala pa
Isa
na lang.
Wala pa po. Okay, double check lang po ano. Wala pa po na bingo?
Wala pa. Isa na lang.
Okay. Meron.
Carlos.
Oh, si Carl.
Sino po ang nagbingo?
Carl.
Carl, classmate mo.
Carlos po.
Wala pa yun. Okay, wait lang po. Carlos, ma'am, what's your bingo number? Bingo ID number. You can see it on your upper screen ng bingo. We will double check lang po.
023 po.
Ano po yun, ma'am?
023.
023. Okay, bingo card ID 23 here. Double check. View card. Okay. So, ito yung card ni Carlos Andre. Letter B, okay, sa puno niya. And then, okay. Alright, and the last one is a color blue. Alright, we have a good bingo. Congratulations, Carlos Andre.
Carl.
Alright, congratulations. Okay, let's take note of that.
Congratulations, Floyd.
Let's take note of that. Okay, so si
Hi,
Carlos.
Jack.
Alright,
Say hi,
let's go to Viber. Alright, the birthday family. Okay. Alright, so
Sabi mo kay Carl.
okay. Ali and Simi. Ali and Simi, nagbingo rin po ba kayo? Ali and Simi? Hindi po. Okay, hindi daw. Alright. Alright, so kids, boys and girls, we will be having... Okay, let's have another game. Let's have another game. Let's have another game for the kids. So let's have the logo. Alright, so kids, boys and girls, so we will be flashing different logos over here. And all you have to do is what is the logo? So guess what famous brand logo? So kids, boys and girls, this is games for the kids, okay? Requested by the birthday family. And get a paper again and a whiteboard. You will write down your answers over there. Everybody get a whiteboard. Okay, so this will add to your scores, ha? Dun sa ating naunang 4 games. If you have a paper, if you have a whiteboard already, show it in front of your camera.
For children.
Okay, so we have 3, 4.
Go, run.
Or a whiteboard. Okay? This is another chance to have higher scores. Again, we will be getting first three that will show the correct answer in front of the camera. All right, so if you are now ready, if you have a whiteboard, let's play the game in 3, 2, 1. First logo, please. Not that one. Not that one. Here we go. First logo, bonus round. Write down your answers. Quickly show it in front of your cameras. Go! All right, and we are double checking on the answers. All right, of course, the correct answer is Jollibee. Yeah, the first 3 are Ali. Second one is Andy, and the third one is Easy. Congratulations. That's the first three. All right. Erase your answers. Erase your answers. Ready for the next logo. Here's the next one. All right. So we see here letter B, letter E. What is that logo? Show it in front of your camera. Go, go, go. Come on. Having a feedback, Sige. You're having a feedback. All right. So kids, boys and girls, the correct answer is Barbie. And the first answers are
Barbie.
Matias and Jack Jack. Okay, here we go. Next logo. Okay, write down your answers. All right, so we have the correct answers. First three is Carlos, Phoenix, and Luca. Good job, guys. Next logo.
Congrats.
Good job, Timmy.
Good job.
Write down your answers. We're having feedback. All right. The correct answer, ladies and gentlemen, is Chupa Chups. First point goes to Alexi. Second point goes to Phoenix. Good job. Again. Na naman. Next, third one. Aliyah. All right. Next logo, please.
What kind? What's that? Louder.
Rock. Minecraft.
Time. All right, now kids, boys and girls, your answer is... All right, the correct answer is Minecraft. Very good. All right, so the first one is Matias. Second one is Paulo. And the third one is Jack Jack. All right, good job, Jack Jack. Next logo. So your answers in front of your cameras. Okay, and the correct answer, of course, is Netflix. Netflix is the correct answer. Let's have now the next. The first three winners are Avi, Andy. Good job, and Ali. Okay, so next logo is.
What's that? Oh,
Yes, yes,
TikTok.
TikTok. No, it's TikTok. TikTok.
Okay, write your answers. You're checking our screen. And the first three winners are correct answer by the way, TikTok, Lucas, Kobe, and Easy. All right. We'll be having the last logo, and here's the last logo. What logo is this, kids, boys, and girls? Show it in front of your cameras. Okay, the correct answer is, of course, Among Us. Congratulations to Phoenix, one. Second, Alexi, and the third one is Paulo. All right, good job. Do you play Among Us, kids?
No, I don't even know what TikTok.
Who plays Among Us? All right, so... And we have Jack Jack also. All right, so we will be having another Just Dance, kids, boys, and girls. So let's have. Okay, so again, this is another points, kids, boys, and girls. Okay, 5 points. Okay, again, this is requested again for the birthday family. So let's play. Okay, this one. Ito na lang. Okay, wait, mommy and daddy, I'm just gonna pick something from my...
The other food. Other food.
Kids, boys and girls, last game, and then we will be proceeding to the magic show. So let's have the next Just Dance. Here we go.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy tummy funny, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear, 'cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh yeah, gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Pointing by dolly party, pointing by dolly party, pointing by dolly party, party pop. Pointing by dolly party, pointing by dolly party, pointing by dolly party, party pop. Oh, I'm a gummy bear, yes I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear, 'cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh yeah. Three times you can buy me. Three times you can buy me. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. And that's what see you get out of that. It's all my tea, I get that party pop. And then you're gummy, cool, mumbo to my baby, get on my knee, dance all party pop. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear, 'cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear.
All right, everybody clap your hands. All right, so girls, that is our game. So now, for the next part of our program, we will be having the magic show. After the magic show, we will be announcing our winner, right? Okay, so girls, relax, and then later on, I'm gonna call some volunteers during the magic show. So let's have the magic show now. Here we go.
I am impressed.
Mình sáng này. It's the man. Water.
Go, magic show. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's now time for the magic show. But I'm hearing myself. Okay, so here we go. Now, kids, boys and girls, first of all, once again, my name is Handsome James, your favorite magician. Pero may mas handsome po sa akin. That is the brother of Daddy Kevin. Yes, okay. I concede. All right, now, kids, boys and girls, first question. Who here knows what is this called? It's the
Rubik's Cube.
It's the Rubik's Cube. Now, kids, boys and girls,
Rubik's Cube.
feel free to open your microphone this time, okay? Now, kids, boys and girls, I have a question for you. Who here knows how to solve a Rubik's Cube? Raise your hands.
You?
Kiefer? Kiefer. All right, now, kids, boys and girls, if you don't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, I'm going to teach you how to do it, okay? So all you have to get is This one.
Ako pinakamagaling sumayaw kanina.
Okay? This one. You have to get a black cover. It has to be black. Okay? If it's white, it's not gonna happen. But you have to get a color black one. This. Now, all you have to do is cover the Rubik's Cube like this. Like that. Okay? And then, you're gonna blow it. It's boys and girls blow. Very good, Kiefer, because if you blow, the Rubik's Cube will be solved. Alright, good job. Kiefer, now that is a very magical blow. Now, kids, boys and girls, this Rubik's Cube, let's call it the black Rubik's Cube. Again, this is the black Rubik's Cube. Now, I have one more Rubik's Cube over here. It's the white Rubik's Cube. So, we have two Rubik's Cubes now. Kids, boys and girls, my question is, what is bigger? What is bigger, the black Rubik's Cube or the white Rubik's Cube?
The white Rubik's Cube.
Very good. The white Rubik's Cube is bigger, but how if I move the white Rubik's Cube over here? What is bigger now?
Black one. The black Rubik's Cube.
Very good, Jack. The black Rubik's Cube is bigger because it's in front of you. But how if I move the white Rubik's Cube in front of my camera? What is bigger now?
White one. The white one.
The white Rubik's Cube is bigger. Very good. You're all correct. I have now a big Rubik's Cube.
Oh, what happened?
It's giant now. All right, now kids, boys and girls, who here loves to draw? Anybody here loves to draw?
How if you do the magic?
Oh, you did it magic. It's magic. Kiefer, do you love to draw?
How she does that?
Bertie boy, do you love to draw? Yes. All right, good job. Because I have here a drawing book. Actually, it's a coloring book. Kiefer, do you also love to color things? Yes? All right, now kids, boys and girls, watch this. Everybody, can you see the drawings? Can everybody see my drawing?
No.
Huh?
No.
No? Oh, sorry. I forgot. Okay. I have to draw first, by the way, using my magic pencil over here. My magic pencil. Okay. Now I'm gonna draw something over here at my drawing book, my coloring book. Now, kids, boys and girls, can you see the drawing now?
Let me wanna see that drawing.
Can you see the drawing now?
Use that magic.
Huh? Do you see the drawing?
No.
No? Okay, because you have to blow the book first. Everybody blow. Very good, because if you blow, the pictures will now appear. Like that. See? It has now lots of drawings. Now this time we're gonna make it
Magic.
using these colors I have in my magic pencil. Now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wave it like this. Wave it at the pictures. Now kids, boys and girls, you can still see the colors because you have to blow it. Everybody blow! Now we have colors. Lots of colors. See? Everybody clap your hands for that. Now this time I'm gonna show you
Magic.
my friend. Okay, it's boys and girls. I would like you to meet my friend. Okay, and my friend lives over here. Do you know what is this called? It's a
Zebra.
zebra. It's a purse. It's a wallet. Now inside this wallet is my friend. What? I have another. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna open it again, and here is my. Okay, I have another one. Here is my friend. What? I have one more. Okay, and my purse.
That's making funny magic.
It's again Samba. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, kids, boys and girls, I think my friend is now here. Yes, my friend is now over here. And here is my friend.
What?
What's that? What's this? This is a magic tissue because this tissue can stand. Okay, everybody watch this. This magic tissue will stand. Everybody watch this. Tissue, stand up. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Tissue, stand up. Oh, it's now standing.
Because she's standing now.
Okay, I'm gonna let go of my other hand. It will stand, kids. Okay, watch this. Tissue, stand up. Okay, I'm gonna get it again. Okay, here we go. Kids, boys and girls, everybody, tissue. Everybody says, tissue, stand up.
Teacher, stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Oh, look at that.
It's standing. And kids, boys and girls, watch this
I'm
because
holding it because he's
you can
standing.
also dance. Okay, everybody, watch this. He will dance in front of you. Here we go, music, please.
Oh, watch out. Because it might not.
It's dancing.
Oh, dancing. Dance cap with the shoe.
And then kids,
She's dancing.
I say stop dancing. This okay. See, it's now stop. It is now not. It's not dancing anymore because I said stop dancing. This is a very behaved and a very good tissue. It's not dancing anymore. See, it's not dancing. What, Jack?
Dancing.
No, it's not dancing. Easy. It's standing. Huh? Dancing. Okay. Wait. Stop dancing. If you will not stop dancing, I'm gonna shoot you with my gun. Stop dancing. Stop.
Kill your friend.
Yes, I killed my friend. He will not dance anymore because he is.
He's dancing again.
Oh, I killed him already. See? He's not dancing.
Yes, he's dancing.
Jack,
He's dancing.
He's not dancing.
He's dancing.
He's not dancing. You will not stop dancing. I'm gonna put you here in my magic. Stop dancing. Come on. Stop. You will not stop dancing. Go inside there. Now, kids, boys and girls, watch this. It's a birthday! Hi to my friend. Say hi. Hi, bird. Okay, go back there to i-add mo yung ano. Alright. Now, kids, boys and girls, I'm gonna show you one more animal, and this animal is a... It's a rabbit. A rabbit. A rabbit. And then I have here the house of the rabbit. Okay. See the house of the rabbit. That's the back of his house. That's the front of his house. And the rabbit has two doors. Now, kids, boys and girls, I'm gonna put the rabbit inside his house. I'm gonna close the door. Okay, everybody, Jack, boys and girls, kids, watch this. The rabbit will disappear. Okay? It's gonna be disappear. Okay, so I'm gonna open the door, and then the rabbit is gone. Huh?
He's over there.
He's over here? Okay, I'm gonna open the other door. No, he's not here. No! Here? Here. Other side? Here. The door again. Okay. How many kids, boys and girls? How many doors am I going to open? How many doors you want? How many? 2. You want 2 doors? Okay, I'm gonna open 2 doors, kids, boys and girls. 1 and 2. You said 2 doors. 1.
At the same time.
At the same time. Okay, I'm gonna open the 2 doors at the same time. Okay, everybody watch this. Okay, the rabbit is gone. It's 2 doors at the same time. No rabbit here. There's no rabbit here. What? In front of you like this. I'm gonna open the 2 doors like this.
Why you do that?
Magic. It's called magic. All right, now kids.
Ah.
I'm gonna show you one more drawing.
Where's she going?
Here, I'm gonna grab my whiteboard. I also have a whiteboard. So kids, boys and girls, you're gonna help me with this one, okay? So let's call on all the kids. Kids, boys and girls, what shape is this? What shape?
Virgo. They're good.
How about this one? What's this?
Straight line.
It's a line.
Sing a line.
It's a line. Yeah. Ano, no?
Believe it.
A sleeping line.
Kasi sa birthday.
Ah.
And this is a...
I'm sing a line.
Wait, I'm gonna fix the face. Alright, here we go. Now kids, boys and girls, what else do we need to draw to complete the face?
You know what? Here. What else?
What else?
What else?
Hair. Hair.
What else?
No.
No!
No.
What? What?
Oh.
Oh, yes. What else?
Eyeballs.
Sa eyes, ano meron?
What else?
Atasha.
Eyelashes. Or eyebrow. Okay, what else? Huh? What else do we need to draw? What else do we need to draw? Huh? What's that? What? What's happening?
Click mo siya, handsome James.
Who's that? Who's talking?
Oh, look.
Jack, who's talking?
Why is he talking? What's that magic?
The drawing is you can talk?
Of course I can talk.
What?
I can sing too.
You can sing?
La 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 la.
Hey,
Oh my. How did that happen?
They thought all you could draw was flies.
on this.
Okay. Drawing, do you have a name? Can you tell us your name?
My name is Mark. Get it?
Okay, so guys, everybody, his name is
Could you
Mark.
make my ears bigger?
Sorry.
I can't hear too well.
Sorry, Mark, I did not hear you. What did you say again?
Take your marker and make my ears bigger.
Oh, I'm gonna make your ears bigger.
Yeah, now that's more like it.
All right, Mark. You look like a real square now. You're a square.
Square? Not me. Watch this.
Go bite my hand.
No, he will not bite you, Jack. All right, so I think Mark
Bite my hand.
for us. So everybody listen.
Bite me.
My name's Mark, and I am just amazing. The things I can do are really hair-raising. Watch me close, because I am really strange. You can use your magic marker and make me change. Oh, yeah.
Don't bite me.
Now go ahead.
Bite me.
Come to me with that
Bite
marker.
my hand. Okay, eat this. Eat this.
Right on, right on. Now, this is interesting. Just call me Four Eyes.
Hello.
Glasses now.
Now this is more like it. You got
Do
to
the magic.
be
Yun
small,
na
you
talk
so
ka.
what's bigger than me?
Do the magic.
Everybody quiet. Watch this.
Hello, drawing.
Hey, what you doing? That kind of tickles me. Now I look like you, a chimpanzee.
All right, now, kids, boys and girls. Mark, it's now time to say goodbye.
No way.
Goodbye to Kiefer and Jack and the kids.
I'm not going anywhere.
If you don't want to say goodbye,
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm gonna erase
I'm
you.
just bored. Help, I'm losing weight.
I'm gonna erase your ears.
Hey, I can't hear anymore.
I'm gonna erase your nose.
Not my nose. Help.
No more nose.
I've been framed. Get it? Framed?
Yes, you're my friend, Mark, but you have to say goodbye.
I can take a hint.
Good job.
I'll go now. Bye-bye.
Everybody wave your hands.
Bye-bye. Oh, no baby can contact you.
Everybody clap your hands for Mark.
Come on.
Good job, kids, boys and girls. Now, kids, I'm gonna show you one more magic. Okay?
One
Last
magic.
one of the magic show, kids, boys and girls. And then I'm gonna teach you how to do a magic. Who wants to learn how to do a magic? Raise your hand.
Me.
You want to learn? Kiefer, birthday boy, do you want to learn how to do a magic? Yes? Right.
Me too.
Okay. So I have here. What is this?
50 pesos. 20 pesos. 20 pesos there.
20 pesos. Okay, good job. So, here's the front of the 20. Here's the back of the 20. Okay. Now, here's my hand. Everybody watch this. And here's my hand. Now, kids, boys and girls, the 20 pesos, watch closely. Okay, so, I'm gonna fold the 20 pesos. Hey, electric fan.
Yeah.
Wait.
You're crashing. Come here.
Everybody watch this. Okay, so I am gonna lie down the 20 pesos like this. Watch this. Then I'm gonna balance it with my two thumbs. Now I'm gonna wiggle my fingers like this. Watch this. Abracadabra, here we go. Now, kids, boys and girls, it is now flying. Ta-da! All right, now who wants to learn that magic? Raise your hand.
Me.
Okay.
Me.
Now, kids, boys and girls, all you have to do is, of course, you have to prepare a money. And here is the secret. I'm gonna show you the secret. Here's the secret. Do you know what is that one? What's that?
Coins.
It's a coin. Very good. Now, this is the secret, the coin. Okay, now all you have to do, listen very carefully, kids. All you have to do is fold the 20 pesos. Okay, fold it like that. Next one, next step. That's the first step, okay? Second step, put the coin in the middle of the folded 20 pesos. So it has to look like this. Got that? Okay, it's inside now. It's inside. Okay, and then you have to practice this. You have to balance the coin. Okay? You have to balance the coin. Again, listen. You have to balance the coin. In where? In your thumb. Here. Like this. Okay, you got that, kids? Because if you can balance the coin like this, then if you put it inside, you put it inside like that.
What?
Now, floating. But really, the coin is holding the 20 pesos because the coin is heavy, right? It's heavy than the 20 pesos. Now, kids, boys and girls, before you show that magic to your friends, okay, before you show it to your classmates, listen to me. You have to do the 3 letter P. What's that? Practice, practice, and practice. Okay, because if you do the 3 letter P, everybody watch my 20 pesos. Everybody blow. Very good. Your 20 pesos will be big. And of course, if the 20 pesos is big, the 5 pesos will also be big. Like this. Everybody, kids, boys and girls, you have to do the 3 letter P. That's practice, practice, and practice. Once again, my name is Handsome James, and I hope you enjoyed that Magic and Puppet Show. Everybody, clap your hands! Ladies and gentlemen, kids, boys and girls, for the next part of our program, we will be having the announcement of winners. So, kids, boys and girls, buckle up your seats. Here's the winners in Kiefer's virtual party.
Wow! Oh, yan na. Oh, hindi mo nakita sila. Ulit ka na, hindi ka nakababay. Oo. Ay.
All right, so kids, boys and girls, here is the winners in Kiefer's virtual party. So we have the scores over here now. As you can see, we have it called, but we are down to the last, the top 5. Okay, so we will be having the top 5. So you see your names over there: Ria, Batias, Kobe, Simone, Natalie, Ali. All right. So here is, ladies and gentlemen, the top 5 winners in Kiefer's virtual party. Let's go. It's not Woody. It's not Buzz. All right, here. So, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. Our first place is Andy. Second place is Ali. Third place is Aliyah. Fourth place is Easy. And congratulations to Jack Jack. All right, so the birthday family will be having prizes. It will be delivered to you. I don't know. So kids, boys and girls, just wait for it, okay? And then, boys and girls, once again, congratulations and thank you for joining our games. And I hope you enjoyed that one. Now, for the next part of the Magic Show, please open your cameras. And once again, for the next part of the announcement of winners, please open your cameras because it's now time for the picture taking. Let's call on Mommy, Daddy over here in front now. All right. So kids, boys and girls, let's have a picture. Open your cameras. Party adults as well. Open your cameras.
Come here. There's a picture taking Kobe. Come here. Ito na. Ay, nako.
Then make it large. Me too. Alright, here we go. Okay na po. Natakpan ko na si Galaxy Tab 8. Kids, boys and girls, please hold your smiles for about 5 to 10 seconds. But before we proceed to the picture taking, Mommy and Daddy, Mommy Jen, Daddy Kevin, Kiefer, it's now time for the thank you message. So, Mommy and Daddy, please.
Choose your smile.
B8.
That's the song of my life.
Thank you.
What would you?
Okay. Lola will sit down there.
Lola will sit down with you. Here. Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone. It's coming from my birthday. I love you so much. Love you, Jen. Hi to family friend. Happy birthday.
Lola and Lolos.
Lola and Lolos. And enjoy birthday, classmates. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, grown up. Bye-bye. See you, classmates, tomorrow. Bye. Birthday keeper. Happy birthday keeper.
All right, so this time let's have the pictures now. So everybody look in front of your cameras. Show your happy faces. Everybody, Jack. Jack. Look in front of your cameras. Boys, girls. Okay, everybody. Look in front of your cameras. And 1, 2, 3. Smile, everybody. Jack, smile. All right, this time we're gonna do a wacky shot. Wacky shot. 3, 2, 1. Wacky! Teka lang, wacky. Wacky. Hold your wacky. All right, now this time, I believe, Mami Jen, meron silang ng mga mask ba? Tama po ba, Mami Jen?
Your kids.
For the kids.
Get your kits, guys. Mask. You have your mask, guys, right? Okay, this time, wear your mask. Okay, open your mask. And then you wear it.
Sit down, Jack. Hey, remove.
Cute.
Sit down. There.
Ang daming nakamas.
Everybody, wear your mask.
Put it inside. Just put it inside.
All right, so everybody, look in front of your cameras, show your happy faces, and smile. Ay, hindi pala tama kapag smile. Look in front of your camera na lang. Wait lang, si Carlos, sinusuot pa yung mask niya. Wear your mask. All right, very good. Now, kids, boys and girls, I'm gonna count 3, 2, and 1, and everybody, let's all shout "Happy Birthday, Kiefer!" All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, shout!
Happy
Happy birthday, Keeper.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, keeper. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, birthday. Happy birthday.
All right, so Mommy and Daddy, Mommy Jen, Daddy Kevin, do you want to say something pa po?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Huwag mo isama si Kiefer.
You hope you enjoyed my birthday. I hope you enjoyed my birthday. I hope you enjoyed my birthday and enjoy my food. Do you like the food? Yes.
Oh yeah, I will show. Yes, show.
You will show.
Yeah.
I'll show you something.
All right, so the birthday boy will show us something. Let's spin.
Okay. Hawak na lang. Baka mali sa ano mo.
Okay.
Dean?
Ready?
Yeah. Dean? Wait.
Wait.
Dean?
Wait.
Daddy, okay. Okay lang kayo, Daddy? Okay. Picture natin.
Okay, ready?
Hey, the Piñata SpongeBob.
Ready? Wait. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, you're killing SpongeBob. Oh.
You want my help?
Daddy, mga 15 minutes nasira niya na po si SpongeBob, Daddy Kevin.
Okay, get back. You go. Get back. 1, 2, let's try.
Yeah. Okay. Sige po, Daddy. 10 minutes na. Yay! Ayun, nagtakbuhan na sila, Yaya. Ay! Alright, kids, boys and girls, grab one. Grab in front of your screen. Like this. Get. Right. Ayun o. Ayan. Sino pong maraming nakuha? Sino pong maraming nakuha? Pakita niyo po sa camera. Ayan. Sino pong maraming nakuha? Ayan. Let's see. Ayan. Sino pong maraming nakuha? Ayan. Bawasan po natin. Bawasan. Pengi po. Pengi. Just kidding.
Get some shovel, put here on the crab.
All right. So thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy. Once again, that was Kiefer.
Bye-bye. You can go here after the virus.
Oh, you can go there after.
Stay safe.
The
Love you all. Cousins, titas, little.
Teachers? And the priest,
Hindi.
Thank you, Kiefer.
Happy birthday, Kiefer!
Thank you so much, birthday boy Kiefer. Thank you so much, Mommy Jen and Daddy.
Happy Kiefer! Happy birthday,
Handsome James, your favorite magician. Now, if you want to have a birthday party like
Happy birthday, Kiefer!
okay, of the MKJ event, once again, kids, boys and girls, stay safe, everybody. And God bless us all. Bye, everyone.
Happy birthday, Kiefer!
Happy birthday, Kiefer.
Happy birthday, Kiefer.
Happy birthday!
Salamat sa food.
Thank you, Tito Kama.
Thank you, Tita. Thank you, Tita.
Thank you, food.
Bye. Bye, Tita.
Bye.
Put the heart.
Happy birthday.
Mommy. Put the heart. Happy birthday, Kiefer. Ayok na.
Ali. Matias, pakurot. Matias, pakurot. Robby, ang lusot. Nasaan na si Matias? Ay, Rob, kamukha mo yan. Robby, ako pahiram nga niyan. Matias, para kang daddy mo, oh. Junior na junior. Napakaputi naman niya, Robby. Kaya lang maputi, Rob. Kate Pinion. Tita Lynn, hello. Puti ka nung araw, Robby. Ito June, thank you, Micah, Kevin, thank you. Micah, thank you. Yes, that's number mo na. Tita Lynn, sabihin mo Lynn, thank you. Ganyan si Robby ng bata, maputi, di ba Robby?
Hi, Robby.
Birthday Keeper! Simon, I see.
You want to talk to
Happy birthday, Kiefer. Ito will be empty. Ganun yun ang lahat ko.
Thank you, Kiefer.
Thank you, Kiefer.
Hi, Robby Junior. Mali ang pangalan niyan, Robby. Dapat Junior. O yan, mga... Hi, Tita Lynn. Hi, Tita Lynn. Wala na si Hi, Natalie. Asa sila, Andy? Si Lola Lynn. Thank you, Lola. Sabihin mo pala na namin ang birthday.
Thank you, Kiefer. Yes.
Nawala.
Nako, ang cute naman yan, Robby.
May praise dapat yung best dress to.
Ang
Sita Beto.
Wala pa best costume. Nagkamali ako na best costume. Oh, winner ka na, best yan, winner. Nagkamali ako ng party. Hawaiian. Bakit Hawaiian yan? Hindi pa dito Hawaiian. Ano pala dito? Dapat pala nagsako ako. Oo. May sabon.
Sabon.
Winner ka na, Bet. Parang nasa sunlight. Hindi ko alam nga. Hindi pala Hawaiian. Mali. Wala ako SpongeBob eh. Si Jamie meron. Panlinis ng plato.
Maika, ang hirap ng preparation mo. Ikaw ba lahat yan?
Ang dami yan, Maika.
Maika, hirap na.
Meron pa sa labas.
Lima lang kami. Wala na, it's gone na.
Parang nasa hotel, ano? Matches, pahiram nga ito, kukurunin kita.
Ganda ng cake, Kiefer. Oh,
Let me
nice.
see your cake. Wow, ganda. Nag-blow ba? Hindi ko nakita nag-blow. Parang di nag-blow.
Oo nga, hindi ko rin nakita.
Okay.
Okay, o sige.
Okay, bye-bye. Time, lunch time. Bye-bye. Bye, Rob. Bye, Tim. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye, Mike. Kevin. Bye-bye na, Kiefer. Bye-bye na muna, Kiefer, sa mga lola. Bye-bye, Kiefer. Pogi, ah. Bye.
Bye, Kiefer.
Bye-bye, Kiefer.
Bye, Keeper.
Bye.
Bye, Kiefer. Happy birthday again. Bye, Lola.
Bye-bye, mga lola. Magluto na tayo.
Luto na.
Ako luto. Sige, bye-bye.
Bye.